I'm standing at the corner of Route 9 and Market in Rhinebeck, New York. And I want to get some quick silhouettes of people. I paint the silhouette first in watercolor, and then I can drop in some other colors and some darks. These are just visual snapshots, like 1-minute poses to capture an action. Okay, now let me show you the other half of my sketchbook page. The food tents are set up, the music is playing, and I try to do another figure, but it doesn't work. The guy moves out of position, so I just lay a wash over everything, redo the drawing, and start blocking in the shadows. There's a big building in the distance, and the late afternoon sunlight is casting shadows off the trolley rails and off the edges of those tents. I love the details that you can see of the crowd through the smoke and haze in the distance, all backlit by that setting sun. And I want to get that feeling of smoke in the air. So I wet the surface of the gouache and just drop in some opaque white. This is a delicate operation because if I'm not careful, I can pick up too much of the previous layers. The gouache and watercolor used in combination are a great way of capturing quick silhouettes and light effects. I have more information about all this in my video Gouache in the Wild, with links below. Okay, thanks for watching. You might want to check out my website or subscribe to my channel. And then here's a playlist with more good stuff and a video that continues the story. So check them out and share with your friends.